Hi students, how are you all of you? Dear student, you all are very warmly welcome in this online session. This is very good morning and in this fresh morning we are going to start with the new lesson and the name of the lesson is announcement. Yes, dear students, when you are going to school, when you are go to school, see if any instruction is given to you, any notice is comes to you, this is displayed in the notice board. Can you guess which picture is this? Dear student, this picture you can see it on the screen. Which picture is this? Will you tell me that? Comment it. Which picture is that? See, this is notice board and you can see the pins are there and this notice are pinned with these pins. Yes. So 4-5 notice they have given here for us to understand, and you will learn from this that how that notice should be written. Yes, the first notice is that 6 July 2015 it has been observed by the head boy and head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classroom before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 5 p.m. Please take note of this. Okay, who will explain for me that what does it tell about? What does this notice tells about? What is given there? The date they have given it first 6 July 2015 means when does it displayed on, when does it return on 6 July 2015. What is written? See, it has been observed by the head boy and head girl. See, in school there is head girl and head boy. What do? They try to watch the school. They try to check the school. Rather classrooms are clean. Rather all the houses, girls and boys, they are in the discipline. Rather they have wear clean uniform, correct and full uniform. These are the works they do. So like that, they have observed one thing. Some of the classes they are not cleaning their classroom before leaving. Yes, before going to school. Now they are telling here, if any class is found untidy and litter after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hour up to 4 p.m. And if any class is found that they have not cleaned their class, yes, they have not cleaned their class, that class will be remain after school for 1 hour to clean their class. Yes, means their school it's get over at 3 p.m. but those students, the class of that classroom who have not cleaned their class, they will remain for hour to clean their class. Yes, please take note of this, and they have told it here. Please take note of this. Please try to concentrate on this. Now next I will explain you. See here, tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, school will close an hour earlier as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Now dear student, see what is tomorrow? Tomorrow that is the 10th of July. What is date they have given? 10th July is there. And what is the notice? That their school will get an hour earlier close. Yes, an hour close. The school will get no close. Why? Because the teachers, what they have? They have an important PTA meeting. They have meeting with the parents, and so please, they have told it here. You have to inform your parents to arrange pick up at you 2 p.m. The parents should come to pick up you at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Every day they are coming at 3 o'clock, but for tomorrow the school will get closed 1 hour before, so you have to make, your parents have to make arrangement to come to pick you at 2 p.m. that they have given in the second. Next, go to the third one. On Sunday, 12th of July 2015, there is a football match between class 8th and 9th on the school ground. See, Sunday is there. What is the date? 12th July 2015. What is there? There is a football match. Yes, between whom? Which classes? Classes 8, class 8 and class 9th. Okay, where it is? It is on the school ground. The match will begin at 9 a.m. and when will it start? It will start at 9 a.m. All students are invited to come and cheer their favorite team. And what the other students, no, they should come, they are invited and they should come there for what? To cheer their favorite team. Which is their favorite team? The student, they have to cheer to their favorite team. Please come on time so that the players are not distracted. And it is told that those students, they will come to see the match. They have to come on time, so the other students, the players, they will not get distracted. They will not get disturbed. Yes, this was the third one. Now we will go to the next. See, now see, this is also very nice. The school has organized storytelling competition for classes 5th, 6th and 7th from 21st to 25th July. See, what school has organized? Storytelling competition for which classes? 5th class, 6th class and 7th class. Date from 21st to 25th July. Yes. Now the competition will be held in school hall at 10 in the morning. And where it will held? It will held in the school hall. At what time? At 10 in the morning. Children may select, and the options are given for children to select a fable they can take as a subject, storytelling subject, folk tales, fairy tales, true story, funny story. Okay, the students, they are free to choose their own subject. 3 prizes will be given for each category, and for each category how many prizes will be given? 3. See here, the time limit in 3 to 5 minutes. There will be the time limitation. Within 3 to 5 minutes the student has to finish the story. Those who wish to participate may contact Mrs. Sanjana. See, those they want to take participations, they should contact with Sanjana Moite. For other details, they must register their names with her before the 16th of July. And students, those they want to take participate, they have to give their names to Mrs. Sanjana Moite before 16th of July. Understood this? This was they have given it here for you to understand. Yes, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different kinds of notices here we have learned. Now we can get it next. 2 more are remain. Construction work to extend the school building will start next week. Construction work of school building, it has been start. When? Next week it is going to be start. And the request for the student is, all students are cautioned not to cross over the fence. Fence means the area where construction work is going on. The students should not go there at that area. Okay, the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. And if you go there, you may get hurt. It may cause injury. Okay. Please stay away from that fence. The area you have to be stay away from that construction area. It is given here. Now a cycle key with a blue key chain has been found on the ground. See, this kind of notices you may get often because students, they are not losing their things at the school. So here someone has lost cycle key and blue no key chain. Okay, and it is found on the ground, and whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see if it is belongs to him or her, and whose it is, who has lost the cycle key and the key blue key chain. That student has to contact with clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and you have to see it is belong to whom. Okay, this was the notice given for you. I'll give even the link is given in the box that you have to see exercise I will share with you. Thank you.